Hello everyone. Welcome to one more solution of the definition where we are replacing all the occurrences of the character A with the character E. And the solution that we are going to see in this video is related to the patterns. So first thing, let us create a pattern here. Now this is the pattern where we are going to search for the character A, and we are going to globally replace that character. So I'm adding the G switch, and in another variable the string is there in str. I would use the replace function where I am replacing the occurrence of B, which contains the pattern, with the character E. Now global replacement is taking place, which means that all the occurrences of A should get replaced by the occurrence of E. Let us try this out. Okay, so I've got three occurrences of A, and I've got all the three A's replaced by E. A very short and a simple way of doing the replacement. In fact, if you want to replace a substring, then you can go ahead and instead of writing the letter A, that's what I wanted to replace here. But let's say you want to replace the letters A and S. Say A and S are to be replaced by the letter E, then that is also possible. So I'll just show you how it is done. Okay, I've got four occurrences of the string. Oh no, let us make it three. Three occurrences of the string AS. So this one is not included since it is not matching the string AS. Right, so when I do this, you will see that AS is replaced by E. And even the size of the string has reduced because we are replacing two characters by a single character, and there are three such occurrences, which means three characters are removed totally. The length of the new string would be three characters less than the original string. So that is another way of looking at the definition. Read a string and check whether it contains the letters AS or not. So that's another definition. But anyways, go ahead and try this out, and in the next video I'm going to show you another such interesting way of doing replacement.